So we're getting the picture of the bay as a giant bowl of minestrone, which just had everything thrown into it. The Italians brought ice cream and arias, the Chinese brought in laundry and chop suey, the Greeks had their kebabs and bazookies, the West Indians their mangoes and calypso. But what art form is more eclectic and drawn from so many cultures than the sound of traditional jazz? Jazz was the brawling child of the Depression, a mixture of instruments and styles which came to speak so vividly of the variety of man. Virtually every pub down here thumped to its sound. Jazz was the one authentic sound of the bay and lives on here. People are still buried with full jazz honours. We happened across a funeral cortege one afternoon, swaying down Bute Street, being led by a jazz band. There might have been 200 mourners, all in their best suits following the coffin. Scores more came out onto their doorways. A whole community was mourning.